Hello everyone, and welcome to the review of the GoPro Rollcage. And we are going to take a quick look at this thing. This should kind of protect your GoPro, especially the lens. You know, there is a big debate on the GoPro 8 either to buy it or not, and that is because the GoPro 8 comes with a lens that cannot be changed. On the previous model you could actually just untwist this and replace it. Not on the GoPro 8. Advantage would be that the lens is no more that taller than the old lens, so it's more compact. The biggest con, if you break this, it's kind of impossible to change. It costs more than the camera or something like that, and you kind of need to replace the camera. So they came up with this thing. Probably the idea was to buy this also to protect the camera, but there is also a protective screen that I have applied here over the original lens, like I did on the back of the camera. You can find more info somewhere here or in the video description below. I'm going to link those there. And by the way, this is the media mode here that I am taking the camera out, but you cannot take the camera out until you fully fold the fingers back. Now you can take the camera out. You can see also this on a full review. You can see pros and cons. So the roll cage here, it's actually a silicone case with an added removable lens that you can take off and you can apply. So the lens is replaceable, and you just slide the camera in, and this should kind of give it extra protection from hits, bumps, scratches, stuff like that, but it will protect the lens here a lot more better. And now my camera is double protected by the glass that I have already applied on the lens and by the extra removable glass here. That might bring you a small influence over the video quality with all those lenses added, but probably just using the roll cage with the lens without adding the other glass that I have added would not cause too many problems. But nonetheless, I'm going to use it like that, because the GoPro 8, let's face it, it's not that cheap if you break it, and if you use it in a lot of activities, especially biking or stuff like that, then you need the protection here to be the best as possible. But there is a still big con that I find on the roll cage, is the fact that it kind of covers the camera all around and does have some small holes here, here, and those are the holes that I was talking about. But the other camera holes for the microphones are well covered, so this might totally destroy the sound. And I'm going to do a test. I'm going to power on the camera and I'm going to record now with the roll cage, and it's now recording the video. And this is the sound coming from the GoPro microphone using the roll cage. So what you hear is what the camera sounds with the roll cage mounted on over the microphones. And now I'm going to pause the recording here, and I'm going to take it out of the roll cage. And I'm now recording again, keeping the camera in roughly the same position. And now you are going to hear the sound with the GoPro without the roll cage added. So it might be a big difference. We are going to see that on the video, and I'm going to use the sound at the same level. I'm not going to edit the volume or something like that, just to be sure that all is in the same specifications, so you can assess the sound quality as best as possible. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this small review. Be sure to follow my next uploads, and also you can check my previous uploads where I have tested other GoPro 8 related stuff and the GoPro itself. So until my next video, see you and bye bye.